Ooh, new movie, I can't wait to see it. Come on, guys.
Lily, I need backup. What's going on? Monsters! I don't get paid enough for this. I quit.
Well, I guess it's up to me.
Hi, I want to watch a movie.
Nice try, but you can't bring candy in this movie theater.
What? But that's not fair.
If you're gonna bring candy, you might as well leave my movie theater.
Not fair.
No candy in the movie theater.
I can't believe Lily won't let us bring in snacks.
Oh, it's not fair.
Oh, I have an idea. I'll use my tie to sneak candy into the movie theater. First, we put double-sided tape on the candy. Then we stick them to the back of the tie.
Whoa, you're a genius, Frankenstein. How should I sneak my candy in? Oh! I'll use these hair clips to hide the candy in my hair. I'm ready, Frankenstein. Let's go to the movies.
Okay. Are you ready?
I've already told you, no candy in the movie theater.
Oh, man. Hi.
Do you guys have any candy?
No.
Then you won't mind if I scan you, right?
You don't have to do that. I have my ticket right here.
That's suspicious. Aha! Show me your tie.
Oh, man.
Hand it over. Ticket. I'ma scan you too, just in case. That's weird. Turn around.
Okay.
Nothing? This thing must be broken. Go ahead. I guess you're clear. Yes.
Did she take your candy too?
No, look.
Can I have one?
Yeah.
Can I have one too?
Yeah. Mommy, check out. I have so many snacks in here.
That's cool, but how are you gonna get it past Lily?
Watch, I'll put the backpack in the front.
But now it's even more obvious.
That's what this jacket's for. Then I'll tell her I'm pregnant.
Get out of my movie theater. Do you have any snacks?
No.
All right. Go. Stop right there. What's under that jacket?
Nothing, I'm pregnant.
Then you wouldn't mind if I scan you, right?
No, wait, please.
Aha! Your stomach is full of snacks. Hand them over right now.
You got me.
Thank you very much. You can go. Nothing can get past me.
Oh, Lily, check it out. It's the latest fashion inside the pyramids.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm like pretty cool.
Ooh, maybe I can sneak my snacks. I'll use this bobby pin to make a candy bracelet. Just wrap the candy around my wrist. Then secure it with a bobby pin. Now Lily will just think it's a bracelet.
Go ahead. Next. Do you have any candy?
Nope, just this bracelet.
Looks good. Go ahead.
Yes.
Do you have candy?
No, I don't have any, but you just let them both in with candy.
Well, I didn't see anything. Go ahead.
Whatever.
That was easy.
I know you have candy.
What are you talking about? I don't have any... Oops. Oh, man. Well, can I still get in?
No, you need to leave. Oh, another hat? I won't fall for it this time. Huh? No candy? Guess that's fine.
So I can go?
Yeah, hurry up. You're holding up the line. You're good. Go ahead.
Hey, zombie. I got candy past Lily. Look.
Wow, that's so cool, Frankenstein. Can I have one?
Oh, sure, yeah. Oh, shh, the movie's starting.
You know snacks aren't allowed. Hand them over.
Never!
Give them.
Maybe I can find a way to sneak my candy in. I just need to use this plastic spider. I'll just put the starburst under the spider. Now Lily won't suspect a thing.
You'll never take my candy! Ugh!
Do you have any candy?
No, I just brought my pet spider with me.
Pet spider, huh?
Hey, wait! Don't get too close. He likes to bite, and he is venomous.
Why would you bring a venomous spider to the movie?
Because he just wanted to see a movie.
No way, that's dangerous. You need to get out of here.
But what about...
No, leave. Go ahead.
Hey guys, watch this! Ow, my bone fell!
What did you just say?
My bone fell, look! Can you pick it up for me?
Ew, there's no way I'm touching that.
Fine, I'll get it. Can I go in the theater now?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes.
Hand over the candy. You too.
Oh, I can't believe she took all of it.
Yeah.
Huh?
What is it?
How'd you get candy in here?
I just used this bone. Here, have some candy.
Ooh, thanks, zombie. You're a genius, zombie.
Shh, the movie's starting.
If you guys want snacks, go buy them at the concession stand.
No way!
That's way too expensive.
Well, that's too bad. Hand over the candy or leave.
No! I
wanna see the movie.
Perfect, they're distracted. I can use the security hat to distract Lily.
You get over. Huh? What are you doing here?
I'm a new security. Go ahead and take your break.
Are you sure you can handle it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Alright, hand it over. Perfect. Now I have candy to enjoy the movie.
I can't believe he stole our food!
I know, now we have nothing to eat.
Hey, Frankenstein, thanks for... Huh? He tricked me! Oh, Frankenstein! Get out of my movie theater!
Oh, wait, candy? I don't have any candy.
I see him right there! Hand him over, Frankenstein!
No!
No outside food, but what about drinks? I'll put the candy in the water bottle. And now I'll just close it up. Now you can't tell what's inside. So now I can sneak my candy into the theater.
Fine, just get out of here! What's that in your hand?
It's just a water bottle.
Well, hand it over. You can't bring drinks into the movie theater.
But it's just water.
No outside food or drinks allowed in this movie theater.
Man.
Thank you. Go ahead. You're good.
I don't have any candy.
Okay, go ahead. Why are you wearing a scarf? It's not even cold outside.
Yeah, but it's always freezing in the movie theater.
I guess you're right. Go ahead.
Yes.
You look good.
Good, nobody's looking. Perfect, now I have a snack.
I wonder how cold it is in there. Zombie, get out of my movie theater! You can't bring outside food in here!
Oh, sorry,
Move it! Hi everyone! Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!